This video explains how to use Trip.com coins. Visit the official Trip.com website and choose any service you wish. I will choose the flight option. Trip.com coins are earned by booking hotels or flights on the platform. Start by selecting the city you are departing from. Click on your destination city in the destination field. Click on the date field to choose your travel date. Select the number of passengers and flight class drop down to modify passenger information. Ensure trip type is selected. Press the search button to find available flights. Choose the select button for the desired flight option. Click the continue button in the modal to proceed with the booking. To continue, please click the next button at the bottom of the page. You've received 25 Trip.com coins with this booking, which can be used for future bookings. Remember, 100 Trip coins are worth $1, and you can earn more by upgrading your membership tier. This is how you can use your Trip.com coins.